Day 3 of the F-150. Today we're just gonna continue this side, and like yesterday we had finished that side, so we're done with that side and the tailgate. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the back panel, the back passenger door, and Cafu here is gonna do the front flare and the driver door, and then we're gonna work our way up to the hood and the roof.
Alright guys,
and we're gonna do a little time lapse right here, so if it goes by fast, you know, because you know sanding is really boring and we don't want to bore you, so here you go, time lapse. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done grinding off this whole entire side and sanding this part. But as you can see right here, this is a perfect example where they forget to sand or they don't sand right. But in this case, they didn't sand at all right here, because as you can see right here, I was grinding it and it just came clean off. I could even, like, with my nail, I could scratch it off and it'll come right off. See, comes right off. So always sand first, make sure to sand good so it'll stick. Right guys, so we're pretty much done with this. Now we're gonna head to the hood and the roof. Alright guys, today's been just an easy day. We finished this real easy. And you know, day one we started, we took off the lights, plastics, anything we weren't gonna tape in, sand and Raptor. And then day two we did half of the truck, which is the sanding part on that side. And now day three, which is today, we sanded the entire vehicle. And well, tomorrow we're gonna come back and we're gonna do the little spots we couldn't get with the grinder all the way around. And then we got this little dent right here that we gotta fix. And then after that, we can get ready to start taping and papering up, guys, and shooting the Raptor on it. Alright, guys, so
just stay tuned,
and like and subscribe.
Yeah, wait. Get back. It's barely 8:30. Where are you going?
Oh, we're going to barbecue.
We also have to have free time, guys.
Yeah.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Get away.